This is another nudist beach in Valencia. This is Playa de la Malladeta, and it's located very close to the national park Albufera, which is a ecosystem consisting of a lake with birds and all sorts of different vegetation. And it's only like less than 1 kilometer that direction towards the mainland. And yes, this is a nudist beach. I can see a few people on the beach along the coast, and I have chosen a bit more secluded spot over here at the beginning of the beach. There is nobody right here, but there are some few nudists over there a few hundred meters away that I'm gonna pass by later. So yes, perfect day for exploring both public and nudist beaches. This is the third nudist beach I visit, so make sure to tune in for the other videos that they already posted. And few more that are coming, because there are 2 more nudist beaches here along the coast, because this is not inhabited on the coast. You see there are no buildings, so it's perfect spot to find your own inner peace on a nudist beach. And we can see also the central of Valencia in the distance over there. So yes, today is 2nd of October. Right now it's actually 29 degrees. The temperature has risen a bit compared to earlier. It feels a bit warmer also. It's 5 p.m. exactly, and I'm exploring the coast of Valencia, south of Valencia. And it's also to all of these beaches. Actually, it is very hard to get in. How I am into these beaches is because I have been walking along the coast from El Perello. Otherwise, I think there is no entry from this side over here. As I saw, there was a golf course, and the entry was prohibited also. So I was quite lucky to be entering all these beaches from the coastline. And yes, here the water, it feels a bit more not see-through crystal compared to the previous beaches I visited, to be fair. I'm not sure why, but yeah, maybe it's because closing to sunset, so the water of the color of the water is a bit different now towards the end of the day. But yes, perfect nudist beach to chill on in Valencia if you're visiting and you're into nudist beaches. This is the beach for you. Ah, all right, nice. Then it's time to take a swim. Let's go. Nice. That's amazing. That's really amazing. Beautiful. Enjoy the scenery from this nudist beach. Playa Nudista de la Malladeta. You can find the pinpoint also, both in this video, but also if you see the location of the video as well. Not so crowded in this nudist beach today. I see only 5 people in total, and you can find also your own inner peace. Cool, that's a wrap from this nudist beach in Valencia, Playa Nudista de la Malladeta. And yes, make sure to tune into my channel for more fantastic beach adventures. And the channel is called what? Beach Adventures with Kris!